Hi guys, welcome to Pamela Rodriguez. Today, Mia and I are going to cook pancit noodles, stir-fried noodles with, we're going to put steak, ribeye steak on our pancit. So Mia is going to slice the cabbage right here. This. Okay, that would be enough to add. All right, come here, Ate. So how you slice is like this.
That's how you slice.
And you slice like that.
That's
okay.
all?
Yeah,
But
that's
that's
all.
big pieces.
Yeah, so if you don't like it, you can take it away. That's my knife for the steak. Okay, that's yours. And then you put the slice
This is
here.
no, I want this knife is not very good. I don't know what to do.
That's it. Put it in the big. There you go. Good job.
Oh no, I got still I want a different knife.
Trash can close by. Get a different knife. Put this in water first because this is gonna be.
That's even worse. I'm sticking it up.
I'll put the onion in the water. And I'll cut it last because it usually makes us cry. So I'll slice the steak. This is Costco boneless USDA choice beef ribeye steak. We are going to use steak for our pancit because Abuelo Jose likes steak.
Yeah, no seafood in this.
No seafood. He does not like seafood. We like to add shrimp to it, but only when Abuelo Jose is not here. Careful with your thumb.
This thing doesn't even cut. Oh, this is lettuce, right?
Cabbage.
Aw. Looks like lettuce. Oh, this thing's impossible to cut.
You can call your dad. He's at the grocery store. Maybe you can put lettuce at the end.
Daniel, what?
Okay. And then we'll wash it and I'll be done.
I'm gonna cut using the other side.
Stir fry noodles with ribeye steak. We are learning to cook, guys. What do you think we should try next? What Filipino recipe should we cook next? Yes. Leave us a comment down below. And please, guys, support our channel. Subscribe. Like our video. We're trying to create family-friendly videos. So it's like a family vlog style. We haven't uploaded for many months, really. Got busy. And now we all decided to start uploading, making family videos, sharing our life here in Georgia, USA as Filipino Mexican family. And maybe we can also share how we're learning to speak Spanish because their dad is Mexican, so the kids are learning to speak Spanish. How do you say how are you, Ate?
How are you?
In Spanish.
How are you
¿Cómo
in
está?
Spanish?
What's water in Spanish? Agua. What is rice in Spanish?
Go.
Arroz. What is eat?
Come.
Come.
Too many very
What is meat? Carne.
I
Carne.
think I'm using that with fish.
Fish is pescado.
I know.
What else?
I don't know what I'm learning.
I am
Soy.
soy. I am mom. Soy mama. I am mama.
I thought it was yo soy. Something.
You soy? You so soy.
You're so soy. Sound like me trying to say Japanese stuff.
What else? What
Yo
else
soy.
did we learn? Oh, we learned some question words. We learned when is cuando.
I didn't learn that. You did.
I learned why is porque. I learned what is que or cuál. And where is donde.
What's that?
Donde. Where do you live? Donde. Or where are you? Where do you live is donde tú vive or donde. Donde bebe. And then drink is bebe. Drink water is bebe agua. White is blanco or blanca. Depends if it's a male or female. If it's a male, you say blanco, like he is blanco. But if it's a female, you say ella es blanca.
What if it's a paper?
Paper, papel. I think paper is masculine, so el papel es blanco. The paper is white. Okay, what else? A casa is feminine, so it goes with the blanca. Casa blanca. It's white house. Also in Spanish, the adjective goes after a noun, not before. Like in English, the adjective comes before a noun, like you say white house. But in Spanish, you would flip it. Make the noun, like say the noun first and then say the adjective after a noun, like the describing words. So for example, house white. So that would be the Spanish arrangement. Casa blanca. Yeah. So in English, if you translate it, same organization, word organization, so it will be house white. So that's why some Spanish students, they tend to flip that, but he just continue to remind them that English language has a different organization with words, so they'll get it eventually. So the goal is not perfection, but effective communication, clarity, something like that. Right, I'm done slicing the ribeye steak, and I'm going to wash the knife and the chopping board so I can slice my onion because I did it last.
Hey.
Alright, I'm just washing. Tell them some Spanish words you know, Ate. Do you know how to count? Count, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
In Spanish.
Only up to like 5.
Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
Right here so they can see you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, I'm back. I wash it. Now I will cut my onions. I put them in the bowl.
We leave around 2, right?
Mm-hmm. Alright, let me see if my bok choy is still good. Oh boy, my bok choy is now yellowish. I'll still use some of it. I'll wash my bok choy. include some bok choy. The kids can just take it away. They don't eat bok choy. So this one, guys, I will include. It's still a little okay. So put bok choy. Some are like yellow already. In a while, I just put them in the refrigerator. Whoa, the water is freezing. So cold. Okay, what do you like to put in your pancit, guys? When you cook pancit, do you put like shrimp? No, this one is sayang. Oh, yellow na. Basura na. Yeah, lots of yellow leaves. Bok choy. Gonna wash this again. See, a lot of yellow leaves. Bye bye. At least I have some bok choy, and then I have a few more. I'll try to include the good ones and then throw away the yellow leaves already. That is that paper towel. Yellow. See, yellowish. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to cook every day, guys. Sometimes we just buy cooked food already because I'm tired. Like from work, I can't cook every day. Definitely not. It's like a long drive home, an hour drive in the afternoon, 45 minutes in the morning. But I got used to driving, guys. I got used to driving long distance. And it's okay because I get to listen to my audiobooks, listen to songs I like, and kids are asleep when I'm driving. So then that's why when I get home, sometimes I just want to play on my phone, but eat first and then clean up the kitchen and then eat on my phone. Eat on my phone. Play with my phone. How do you eat with my phone? That's just ridiculous. Alright guys, that's it. The good ones. How about this one? Yellow. Okay, bye. Trash, basura na. So, na siya, guys. Ko Bisaya jud ko, guys. I grew up in Mindanao. And then akong bana kay Spanish speaking Mexican siya. Now I'm going to wash the bok choy. Yellow pa na sa alis. Clean na siya. I wash it twice. Before and after cutting, I wash. Now I wash the cabbage too before cutting from the store. The whole thing. But now you have to wash cabbage again because too much chemicals. Yeah, they spray. Cabbage usually too much spray. Okay, I flip it into hot so I can wash better. Okay guys, alright, I think okay, I need to prep the garlic now, and then after that we are ready to cook. Okay, my garlic is here. I need to put some garlic when I saute. So that's it, guys. Not a lot of ingredients because my father-in-law does not like seafood. If it was just us, I was going to add shrimp. I have some shrimp. But that would be for later. Yeah, we have guests and we will accommodate our guests to what they like. I'm gonna smash this garlic. Sometimes garlic, they're easier to peel. I don't know, today it's not, because my hands are wet, so they're sticking to my hands. Yeah, I would like to share more of outdoor activities than home vlog, but it's okay. Our vlog will be, you know, family related. So since we cook, might as well record a video of us cooking and share it, because this is going to be a family friendly vlog, how we do life here in the USA as an immigrant. I'm an immigrant. My kids are, yeah, Americans. They're born and raised here. But they're Asian, Mexican, American. So, mixed race, my kids. Oh, these are tiny. These are hard to peel. Tiny, tiny. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will show you now the cooking part. At least prepping is done. Maybe I'll learn to edit videos later, like put together all the parts and just not part 1, part 2, part 3, because I don't have an editing up yet for videos. So that's why I just upload raw videos. What you see is like what you get. I don't cut, I don't edit, just upload from the phone, record from the phone and upload it. I don't even know yet how to make it faster. Okay. Now, let's get our garlic smasher. There we go. Put this here. They sometimes like to jump. So. Alright, done. Okay, now let's do part 2. Part 2. That's it, 13 minutes.